Since early this morning on Daybreak, when we started at 4:30 a.m., I've been talking about the chance for some rain today, mainly in those locations southeast of Grand Rapids. And right now we have the first shower finally trying to cross the Michigan-Indiana border in parts of Berrien County. So here's the larger view. You can see the bulk of this rain has set up through parts of southern and central Illinois, Indiana, and into a large portion of Ohio, just north of the Ohio River. We're going to be on the far northern fringes of this system, so we're just seeing some shower activity. Looks like the consistent, steadier rain will stay near and east of Interstate 69. But let me track this first shower we have developing here just south and west of the South Bend area. That's trying to push its way ever so slowly to the north-northeast, tracking it into the Benton Harbor area. That would occur by about 10 minutes to 1 at its current rate of speed, and making it into far western Van Buren County by about 1:35. And you do notice that there's a little bit of shower activity near Adrian, Albion, and Ann Arbor. We're going to continue to see this area here fill in, but it looks like by and large the bulk of this precipitation is going to stay from around a Kalamazoo to Lansing line and points farther southeast. Now, that doesn't mean we couldn't see an isolated shower a little bit farther to the north, so it wouldn't hurt you to have that umbrella with you this afternoon, but really not too concerned about any consistent heavier rainfall in the Grand Rapids metro area. We dry everybody out tonight, then tomorrow we'll see more clouds than sun, and I could see a couple of showers or a sprinkle trying to pop up, mainly through the first portion of the day. But then again, a lot of us are going to manage to stay dry. The thing you'll notice tomorrow, though, is that breeze picking up out of the northwest, so feeling a little bit cooler for your Tuesday. But if you are looking for some warmer temperatures, or perhaps more days just like yesterday with the sunshine and an air temp in the mid-50s, well, we have those coming your way in the forecast. In fact, 3 days above the 60-degree mark already forecast in the 8-day. Right now we stand at 46 in Grand Rapids, 47 in Fremont, some 50s showing up along the lakeshore. Also notice Ludington, they held under the sun a little bit longer, 52. I think our coolest readings today likely Lansing to Jackson as the thicker cloud deck's in place and that rain shower activity moves a little bit farther to the north. Wind still in the process of picking up out of the east and northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Most areas top out in the low 50s. So here's the future cast. This starts at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's the shower activity trying to expand its way farther north into parts of southern and central lower Michigan. A good portion of this staying near and east of Interstate 69. This is 5 o'clock this evening. And then you'll notice as we run this right on through midnight, a couple of showers trying to pop up. But in general, by midnight, this is gone. A thing of the past. We'll keep a good deal of cloud cover in place through the overnight. And then as you wake up tomorrow morning, more clouds, then sun. 52 the high tomorrow. A passing sprinkle or shower is not impossible. It's just not very likely. 55, here comes the sun on Wednesday. 62, few afternoon showers on Thursday. Friday and Saturday look spectacular. A little breezy at times. We see those temperatures nudging into the 60s. And if anything, Amanda, on Saturday we may be a little bit conservative in that temperature department. So as you mentioned earlier, what are we going to do with ourselves when it's so warm?
I don't know. It's been so long.
It really has been, so we're just going to have to figure it out.
I mean, if we have to, we have to, right? But
at least the way it goes.
It looks pretty nice for tomorrow, though, for opening day, or home opener, rather.
As far as home openers go in April, not a bad day. Just bundle up.
All right. Good deal. Well.